Hi everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we will have a lesson about set operations. Now when we talk about set operations, there are at least four operations that we could look at it, like the complement, union, intersection, and difference. Let's get to know this one by one. Complement. The complement of a set A written as A apostrophe or A complement or A prime is the set of all the elements in the universal set that are not in A. So we need to have the universal set and a certain set. So let's have some example. Given universal sets such as digits from 0 to 9 and set A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We want to get now A prime or A complement. Now to get A complement, let's visualize first the set in a Venn diagram. So the Venn diagram, there's now the universal set, and the set A, and set A contains 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And then when we find now the complement, we will have now 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So those are, we just remove the elements of A and remove the elements of A from the universal. So you remove 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So remove that from the universal, and what's left is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now, in a visual, the shaded part is what we call the complement of the set. Let's have another example. So given now the universal set as A, B, C, D, E, and set A is A, B, E, and set B is equal to A, C, E. Now, let's have some visualization of the sets, the universal set, set A, and then set B. So these are joint sets. So we have joint sets because they have the common elements or common members such as A and E. Now, we want to find now A complement. So again, so look at now your set A and then remove that, and what is remaining should be the value of the complement. So the complement is C and D. Now, let's have another one. So we have now B complement. So look at now the set B and remove all the elements of set B, and what's left is the complement. So we have now B and D. So in a visualization, you can look at this one for set A prime and then B prime. Let's have another operation such as union. So the union of set A and B written as A union B is the set of elements that are members of A or members of B or members of both A and B. So in logic, we just combine all the elements of the first set and the second set. So let's have an example. Example 1. So we have now A, B, C, D, E. Set A is A, B, E, and B is A, C, E. Now, as you can see, this is now our visualization, just the same with the other one. So we have now A union B. So we combined now the elements of A and B. So what we have there is A, B, C, and E. So in a visualization, you visualize now combining the shaded part is what we call now the union. Another example. So we have now universal set is 0 to 9, set A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we want to find now A union B. So, combining now the two sets, the elements, so what we do have there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 9. Let's have another challenge. So, how about A union B prime? So, the strategy there is to get first the B prime. So, the B prime is 0, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, combining now set A and set B. So what we do have, set B prime is A union B prime is 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's have now intersection. So the intersection of set A and B is written as A intersect B is is a set of elements that are members of both A and B. So what we do have there are the common elements. So let's have an example. So once again, universal set is A, B, C, D, E. Set A is A, B, E. Set B is A, C, E. Now let's have the illustration. Once again, this is now the illustration. Now, as you can see, we want to find now A intersection of B. So getting now the intersection, what is common between A and B? So that is now the answer. So what's common there is A and E. In a visualization, what is the shaded part? That is the intersection of set A and B. Let's have another example. So universal set is 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Set A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we want to get now a intersection of B. Now, what is common to A and B? That is 1, 3, and 5. So that would be the answer. So 1, 3, 5 is the intersection of A and B. Now, let's have another challenge. So how about if we have now A intersection of B prime? Strategy is get first the elements of B prime. So get now B prime. So that would be 0, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then get now what is the intersection of A and B prime. So what is common to them is 7 and 9. So the answer would be A intersection of B prime is 7, 9. Let's have now difference. The difference of set A and B written as A minus B is a set of elements in that are not in B. So we just remove now the elements that is common between A and B, and what the answer would be what is the remaining from A. So let's have an example. Here's example 1. So once again, the universal set is A, B, C, D, E. Set A is A, B, E, and set B is A, C, E. Here's illustration so that you could visualize how they are connected using the Venn diagram. Now, we want to find now A minus B. So remember, you have now your A as your minuend, and then your subtrahend is B. Remove what is common between A and B, which is A and E, and what remains to A would be the answer, or we could say that A only. So A minus B, the answer is B as its element. Okay, let's have another example. So B minus A. So once again, you look now first at B. Then remove what is common between set A and B, which is AE. And then the answer would be what is remaining to B. So the answer is set C. It's a set with element C. Okay, here's now how the illustration works on how you're going to find out the answer. Let's have now another example. So we have now the universal set of 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 9. And then A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we want to get now A minus B. So once again, you look at now your A. Remove now what is common. What's common is 1, 3, and 5. What is remaining there is remaining in set A. That would be 7 and 9. We'll get that. And then let's go on the other example, B minus A. So you look now first at B. And then remove what is common between B and A, and what the remaining from set B would be the answer for B minus A. So remove 1, 3, and 5. So what remain there is 2 and 4. So the answer of B minus A is 2 and 4. I hope you learned something about set operations. Once again, this is Bebs Ever Thoughts, and thank you for watching. Hope you learned something. Have a great day.